Hi, I'd like you to open up Car Flyer, and I just want to show you a few more things in Word. So if we were to look at this as a one-page document, you'll notice that it's in what's called Portrait, and there's a lot of space at the bottom of the page. So instead, I'm going to choose Layout, and for orientation, I'll choose Landscape, so it turns it with the longer edge across. What I'd like to do also is to show you that if you select Mustang GT Fastback, and it should be in all uppercase, on the Home tab, there's actually a feature called Change Case, and I would select uppercase, and it puts it all in uppercase for me so that I don't have to type anything. It does it automatically. There's a list of items about this Mustang, so I'm going to select those items, and I like things in order. So the first thing I would do is select A to Z, and it'll put it, they consider each line a separate paragraph, and it's considered text, and it's going to put it in ascending order, which is A to Z. So just click OK, and it puts it in alphabetic order. The next thing I'd like to do is add bullets, and we have our default bullets, which are the solid circle, but if you click this down arrow, there's a few other bullets to choose from for the library, but I'm going to go to Define New Bullet, and then I'll go to Picture, and I'm actually going to type in the Bing search Mustang logo. And if you can scroll down to whatever Mustang logo you'd like to have. Again, it's going to be small, so that's okay. Insert. There's my preview, and I'm going to click OK. And it's very, very small, so if I want to make the logo bullet a little bit larger, if I were to increase the size, it's going to increase the size of the font. So I'm just going to click the logo side, and then I can increase it. The next thing, what I'd like to do is what's called a watermark. So in Design, and we've done this according to the textbook where we've added borders and changed the page color. We're going to go into what's actually called watermark. And I don't know if you've seen this on some type of documents where it's faded in the background and it may say confidential, do not copy, or draft. You could go into custom watermark, that's where we're going to go right now. And you could put in your own text ASAP or have your name in the background, so you could actually create your own text watermark. But we're going to go into what's called picture watermark, and then we're going to select picture. Again, we'll go through the Bing search, and I'll type Mustang. Now, when you're selecting a picture from the Bing search, you'd want to select a car that does not have a busy background, so it's pretty much by itself, like this one, for example, that doesn't have a background. Now, if I were to click apply, it's going to be faded, which is fine. But if you uncheck washout and then click apply, it's larger. So you get a printout of the car, and this would print in color if you had a color printer. The scale is set for auto, and depending on whatever picture you select, you may have to adjust the percentage of how large or small you want it to be on your screen. Mine worked out perfectly for auto. I don't want it too big, so that would be larger than the document itself. But I'll just give you an example. If you were to choose 500%, see how much larger it is. So I'll go back to auto. But I thought I'd share this with you just to show you what you can do within Word. Thank you.